क्या लगता है जिस तरह से कश्मीर में रिएक्शन दिया?
No, nobody is opposed. My view is after the meeting is over, I'm sure the spokesperson will brief you about it. But what view is emancipating is coming out from Kashmir as well as from Jammu?
क्या व्यूज आ रहे हैं?
I'll tell you, sir. This is a attack on the culture of Jammu Kashmir, on the culture of Kashmir, on the culture of the Dogra culture. This is unacceptable what is happening, and this has to be it has to be really reviewed. This cannot work.
But it was an imbalance was already there for the last so many years. And all of a sudden, Jammu gets 6 seats.
No, it's not question of seats. It's not question of seats, sir. It's a question of there is an inclusion of SCs. There is an inclusion of STs. We don't have any SCs in Kashmir. What will happen then? So we have to ensure that there is absolute balance in Kashmir, in Jammu. There is no question. We cannot divide our society based on religious groups and all. That's not done.
Muzaffar sir, why are you against the political reservation of?
We are not against. We are not against, sir. We are saying that this is a process. The process, first of all, as far as I am concerned, ANC has said that the Delimitation Commission itself does not hold good because it has been formed after 5th August 2019, abrogation of Article 370. For me, it does not exist.
Sir, but Farooq sir was there. He didn't utter a single word there, and now you're.
No, we are. Look, as far as we are going into the PhD meeting. He's the chief of the PhD. We'll take all our views. He'll take our views, and we'll come out with a view. We are for united Jammu Kashmir, the entire Jammu Kashmir state as it existed.
सज्जाद लोन ने कल कहा है कि सज्जाद लोन ने कहा कि जो गुपकार अलायंस है वो फेल हो गई है लोगों की एस्पिरेशंस को एड्रेस करने में, और वो कह रहे हैं कि शेम है ये सब कुछ डेमोक्रेटिक।
वो गलत बोल रहे हैं
जी।
He was a part of Gupkar alliance till yesterday. He is wrong. He is mighty wrong. Gupkar alliance will stay and it will become stronger day by day. You will see that. Thank you.
नहीं, लाजिमी तौर पर मैं बाद में बताऊंगा। पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज ने अपने व्यूज को पेश किया है। मेरा यही कहना है कि ये फर्दर डिवाइड कर लेगा जम्मू कश्मीर को, कम्युनिटीज के अंदर, रीजन्स के अंदर, और अनसर्टेनिटी पैदा होगी। इट इज हाईली डिवाइसिव एंड अनएक्सेप्टेबल।
तो और क्या बात?